Cognitivism is a theoretical approach that focuses on the mental processes involved in learning, thinking, and problem-solving. It is based on the belief that the human mind is capable of acquiring knowledge, and that this knowledge can be represented and manipulated in a way that allows individuals to solve problems and make decisions. Cognitivism emerged as a dominant theoretical perspective in psychology during the 1960s and 70s. Prior to this time, behaviorism was the dominant approach, which emphasized the role of external stimuli in shaping behavior. Cognitivism, on the other hand, emphasized the internal processes that underlie human behavior. One of the key ideas of cognitivism is information processing. According to cognitivists, the mind can be thought of as a kind of computer that receives information from the environment, processes it, and generates output in the form of behavior. This information processing is thought to be governed by a set of mental processes, such as attention, perception, memory, and problem-solving. Cognitivists believe that these mental processes can be studied using a variety of research methods, including observations, experiments, and computer simulations. They use these methods to investigate how people learn, how they process and store information, and how they use this information to solve problems and make decisions. Another key concept in cognitivism is the idea of schemas. Schemas are mental frameworks or structures that organize and interpret incoming information. They are thought to be based on prior knowledge and experience, and are used to make sense of new information. For example, imagine you are a student, learning about the parts of a cell in biology class. You already have a schema for what a cell is, based on prior knowledge, and this schema helps you to organize and interpret the new information you are learning about cell parts. As you learn more about cell parts, you may refine or modify your schema to better fit the new information. Cognitivists also emphasize the role of attention and memory in learning and problem-solving. Attention is the ability to selectively focus on certain stimuli while ignoring others, while memory is the ability to store and retrieve information over time. Cognitivists believe that attention and memory are critical to learning and problem-solving, because they allow individuals to focus on relevant information, retain it, and use it to solve problems. One of the main criticisms of cognitivism is that it tends to oversimplify the complexity of human cognition. Critics argue that cognitivists reduce human cognition to a set of mechanical processes that can be studied in isolation from the social and cultural context in which they occur. In response to this criticism, some cognitivists have emphasized the importance of studying cognition in context. They argue that cognition is not just an internal, individual process, but is also shaped by the social and cultural environment in which it occurs. This approach, known as situated cognition, emphasizes the importance of studying cognition in real-world contexts, and recognizes the role of social and cultural factors in shaping cognitive processes. Overall, cognitivism remains an important theoretical perspective in psychology and cognitive science. It has contributed to our understanding of how the human mind processes information, learns, and solves problems, and has led to the development of a variety of practical applications, such as educational technology, cognitive rehabilitation, and artificial intelligence. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in our next videos.